Millie's my favourite. Look how calm she is as well.
He had to get out of here because of that. Oh, sweetheart! Oh my goodness, he just got a little antsy there.
Practice, what is up? That's because it's hot outside. Stuff like that happens. Was that live? Are we live?
Brett Morse, he's a dairy farmer, and this is his farm that we're on, and, hey, all right, this early in the morning. Hey, we gotta make cattle.
That's right.
We gotta make some beef.
And you have a micro mini pony. Ooh, look at you, how strong you are. What is your name? Oh! Okay. Okay. Woo. Nope. Yes, please. Okay.
If I could be so bold, it makes a beautiful brooch.
I don't know how I feel about that.
I'm with you here. Jungle Bob's here. Wow.
This
is like cutting your teeth.
She'll actually stay on
She'll stay right there if you
my
just
chest.
stay calm. Anything goes wrong, yell out for Dylan. He's here to help you. Okay? A very, very cool amphibian. Now here's the frog. So people are afraid of frogs? Usually not, right?
This is a huge frog, though.
There's a frog. There's a frog.
Wow.
I don't know why I signed up.
And Grand Rapids celebrating their new title as Beer City, USA in a very appropriate fashion later today. I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town. And those details coming up. Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. That's a way to start a Thursday, Nicole.
You can still see the tire tracks here where the cattle rustler pulled up to this entrance. Oh my God.
This corn snake is coming to North Alabama. Ew, what's it doing?
Several schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, sorry. We'll never get this right, Paul.
Now, with this program, the pets have to be at least 40.
Oh. At the show,
One thing you do have an opportunity to do is to come down and meet Miss Vanessa and say hello and see what she actually does.
Excuse me. You're not allowed to go there.
Up that close, but
whoa. Turn it off. Turn it off. You're a bad woman.
She's a little
I cannot believe that happened. Bad.
Hi, Bill and Stacy. Well, the couple is accused of throwing two cats like this one here out of their car and killing them. Now, as part of their sentence, this little guy's having fun, but now as part of their sentence, the couple is going to have to come right here. Oh,
Tjädertuppos. Det är 1,5 plusgrader. Fantastiskt skådespel det här var.
Baby chicken side would take on all the characteristics of a moa. That means if the scientists are successful, the baby moa chick will grow to at least 3 times the size of these ostriches. Go away. Go away. Don't even think about that.
The apes are actually tailless monkeys and they've lived on the rock for centuries, so God give them a free
The big problem they've got is with names. They've called the...
Once it gets dug into the sand, it really is, it gets heavily anchored down. Sorry, your dog's obviously spotted something. Thank you very much.
Ostrich meat could, in the not too distant future, be the chosen Sunday roast of at least a few different chefs.
Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area. What the Get this thing off me, man. Get this thing off me, man. God dang. What is this thing jumping at me for, man? He likes you. Yeah, I can tell, man. All right, let's try to get back under control. You didn't tell me the thing jumped. Well, God dang.
I think first of all we have to put it into perspective and really consider the numbers. It's very easy to start getting carried away when there's only really been handful of fires. First of all, we need to take out those that we can explain for other reasons, and then consider whether there really is a larger number of fires than we would expect.
I accept that they've got to cut their costs, and they're cutting their costs in all directions. Having said that, there are sides that I could perhaps be critical on their business as well. I'm sure that if they tried hard, they could actually produce crisps more cheaply. Oh, you're in the way now.
2 of the dogs are in isolation at Hanover Animal Control. They're still looking for the other 2. Meanwhile, other livestock owners...
No! Get it out!
You love it. You love it.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC 7. Would you not eat my pants?
Okay. Excuse me. All right. There's my foot. There's the turkey. Okay. Okay, fine. And here comes the mail truck. Oh, he's coming across the street at me. All right. Maybe this is true. Okay. No! Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh my God. What do I have? I don't have a stick. Holy crap. Excuse my language. All right. Oh. Oh! Jesus Christ. No! God. No. Go away. Go away. Oh. Help! Okay, he won't stop. Ah! Okay, thank you. The mailman came back. It's true. It's so true. No! Ah! God! Help! Ah! What do we do? Can you grab it? Throw something at him? I can't throw my camera at him. I don't know if he would bite me or what he would do, but thank God for that mail truck. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in my car. He's got me trapped in the car. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, fine. He's out this window now. Here he is. Okay. He's like circling around my car. There he is in the front, waiting for me to come out. Oh my God, there he is. He's waiting for me to get out of the car. Well, I mean, I would not want to be the people living here. Thank you very much. I'm shaking. If the camera's shaking, it's because I'm shaking. My arm is shaking because I'm scared of that turkey.